Good old South African prep here. So I've got a kicker of a story for you. So the US is busy bombing Yemen, or they bombed Yemen. So why is this important to South Africa? Well, it's extremely important to South Africa, and it's extremely relevant to South Africa as well. So they've been bombing a group called Houthi, or Houthis. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It almost sounds like a nickname in South Africa for something. But they've been bombing the Houthi rebel group. So the Houthi rebel group supposedly has connections with Iran, and we do know that Iran has got connections with Hamas. So this has all to do with two things. It's got to do with Israel, and it's got to do with the sea route that goes into the Red Sea and the Suez Canal. And this rebel group has been targeting ships, trying to bomb them, trying to hijack them in the Red Sea, trying to stop trade from flowing up and down. And this is where South Africa comes in. South Africa has got the South African sea route, down Cape Town, around Cape Town. So if this thing keeps on getting as hot as it currently is, South Africa is in any way a strategic sea route point. If this conflict in Yemen continues, then or these rebels continue their actions against sea trade, South Africa's importance as a sea route is going to amplify. And this will affect Israel, and this will affect America as well. So I've got the opinion that the interest that America is showing in South Africa is not all just about us as white people and the 142 race laws and kill the boer, kill the farmer and all of that jazz. It's also to do with the strategic positioning of South Africa and us being on the southern tip of Africa and us being a sea route. So interesting times lying ahead. I do think that the Americans realize that they need to stabilize South Africa in order to be able to use this alternative sea route should this conflict in Yemen not stop, or these rebels not stop attacking the ship trade. So very interesting times. Please like, share and subscribe, and please comment, and then lastly we are moving over to Rumble as well, because this platform is screwing us a little bit. Like, share, subscribe, and all love to you. Greetings.